Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 2015 Ferrari 458 Speciale. Equipped with a 4.5-liter, 605 horsepower V8 engine and a 7-speed F1 transmission with rear-wheel drive. This car is finished in a beautiful Grigio Silverstone Opcaco exterior color and Red Alcantara interior with contrast stitching throughout. This 458 Speciale is in light new condition and comes well optioned, including Alcantara seats, factory matte paint with clearshield protectant, navigation, rear camera, magnetic adjustable suspension system, carbon fiber central bridge, carbon fiber side nolders, carbon fiber front flaps, carbon fiber wheel cup, titanium exhaust pipes, carbon fiber air vents, Scuderia shields, Scuderia stripes, 20-inch black powder-coated sport wheels, silver calipers, and much more.